previewing the week ahead. Hello, good morning and welcome to True Potential's morning markets. Yesterday in the UK, we obviously had the bank holiday, but markets in the US were still open. And what we saw yesterday from US trading was that equity markets pulled back about 2.5%. And that was all on the basis that within the tariffs we're seeing in the US, there's been no real significant progress made in negotiating any deals with those countries. So investors just look to pull back some of their equity exposure in the US. Looking at treasury markets, they didn't really move, so they were flat on the day. But an asset that we have seen move quite a lot recently is the gold price, and it hit another all-time high yesterday of about $3,570 per ounce. And that is because we've seen investors move away from the use of treasuries into gold, believing in its geopolitical hedge it can offer, its safe haven properties, but also with some of the inflation properties that it has. That means if investors are worried about inflation moving higher, they believe that gold will outperform bonds. So gold continues to reach new all-time highs. So looking forward into the week, what are we looking towards? Well, we're still within the US equity earnings season. So that's where companies will report revenues and profits posted in the previous quarter. But as we know, what market participants will be most interested in is the forward guidance that those companies provided, and really looking to drill into the impact that tariffs are having on business conditions. So we'll keep you posted on any significant updates that we have there. But what we also have is the PMI data, and that comes from Japan, Europe, the UK and also the US. So we'll get similar types of information from there, just looking at how tariffs are impacting business conditions. And these will be the first major updates that we'll have from businesses since tariffs have been put into place. So this data will be of interest to investors. So thank you for watching today's video, and we'll catch you in tomorrow's episode.
This video is not a recommendation or personal financial advice. With investing, your capital is at risk. Investments can fluctuate in value, and you may get back less than you invest.